Hello everybody, this is Barbara Dickson speaking. I am so looking forward to coming to Perth Concert Hall on the 22nd of August to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Traditional Music and Song Association of Scotland. I actually remember when it was first formed, and I remember many of the faces that are no longer with us who were there at that time. And so it will be a bittersweet evening for me, I'm sure, with some lovely old friends in attendance and some hopefully new friends there too. And remembering those who are no longer with us. But I hope you'll come and cheer us on and raise a glass to the TMSA having another 60th anniversary in the years to come. Take care. Thank you. Bye.